Hi guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird Channel. This is part 2 of opening all of these beauties. Now, I have 2 more things to open in the special surprise. Okay guys, so I have 10 minutes, so I'm going to pause while I open this. Guys, I know this time from watching YouTube. Sorry, it's upside down. I'm getting ultra rare. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to pause while I open the next shrimp. Okay, next up is these. They're stickers. You put them on the blank edges. I have to pause again. Okay, guys, so I'm opening the very first blind bag. Let me out of here. That's what the blind bag says. Let me out of here. What? I was not expecting this bottle. Maybe I was wrong. Now I know what it is. Squirt, squirt. Okay, got that bottle. Okay, now I have to close again.
There's a rare.
It's different.
Maybe there's a rare one and an unrare one that are both bumblebees. They're both queen bees.
Okay, guys, so I'm opening another. I was just talking to my mom. I'm having a fit because I thought it was going to be an ultra rare. I'm opening the second blind bag. Let me get our shoes out. Huh? They look like ballerina shoes. Okay, Mama Bird.
They're kind of cute. They got a little bow. Little bow.
Okay, now I have to pause again. Okay, so when you take this off, this has pizza. And then there's a little space. Oh, ball rolling away. There's a little space for her feet. Now I'm opening the second blind bag. I just wanted to tell you that. Now this is her dress. Sometimes they come with an extra blind bag for accessories. So I made, ooh la la! Queen Bee's fancy. Okay, have to pause. Okay, guys, so I'm down to the... Okay, so her binky's there. She can hold her bottle in that little hug. And I know who it is, the extra blind bag. I'm just not going to tell you who it is. She's naked. Repair yourself. Money, money, money. Dying in your heart. Let's get her all dressed. Oh, wait.
She's a fancy.
She's a fancy Nancy.
So it goes popular,
Show
fancy,
her.
rare, and
Show
ultra
them.
rare. And she's part of the dance club. I think, and I'm going to tell you right now, they gave you the wrong hint with it because it says Queen Bee. So that was their mistake. They literally, and no wonder you were confused, they packaged the Queen Bee hint with the center stage girl.
Oh, so her tiara is actually pink.
They gave Wrenie Bird the wrong hint.
Let me see that.
That's even the wrong tiara. Because that goes to her. They gave her the wrong headband even.
I cannot accept to this.
You got the cis swing headband.
Where is she? Where is she?
She's right here. Everything else looks right.
Everything else
The dress,
is
and
weird.
the shoes, and the bottle are right. But the headband is wrong. It
Okay,
should
you
have been
have
a
to
tiara.
admit it kind of looks good.
It does look cute. But see what Wrenie Bird's talking about? They gave Wrenie Bird the headband that goes to Sis Swing, but they gave her the doll baby to Center Stage, and they gave her the hint to Queen Bee. So we had a mess up here. This is our first mess up, Wrenie Bird.
On anything.
Yeah.
No, this is our second. Because I got messed up on Yoki.
Well, she's still super, super cute.
And then we get her shoes. Mama Bird, will you get some water? I'm going to see what she does.
Sure.
So it looks so weird. I'm sorry, you look cute, but you look weird with this on. So that's what she looks without her messed up headband. And when I put her headband, it's supposed to be a tiara, her headband tiara on, looks like that. Kind of looks like bunny ears. I have a friend named Maddie G. Why we call her Maddie G is because we have two Maddies in our class, and she has bunny ears that are kind of like this. Okay, so it works better if you don't use her bottle, but I'm going to try to use her bottle. She could cry, wet herself, or spit. And both of mine spit. Oh yeah, I didn't get any water in. So you're going to squeeze her head and let her suck up water. Oh, I think she's a crier. Or is she a wetter? Mama Bird, I can't figure out what this one does. Okay, then I have this. We dry her off. She's pear. Okay, guys, so I got her. I only have 2 minutes left. That's why I'm talking so fast. And I got this bowl, this little cotton candy, and then they both go together like this, like that. And then you can just set them like that, and then like this. And then I'll get out her stand at the end of this video. Just let me, I'll get a surprise. They all just fell. Okay, I got the surprise. Ta-da! It's, surprisable thing. So, just go put this. Yep. And I'm about to open it. Oh no, his name is Heath or Dan. Heath or Dan. I took the sticker off of it, so my bad. Sorry, I got a little loud there. Remember, I only have 2 minutes, so I'm trying to hurry. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Da-dee-da-dee-da. Snip, snippy. Oh no. Phew. Someone got caught. Okay, got it out. Will you get Heath or Dan out?